Kung gusto mong gumawa ng successful commercial development, kailangan mong maintindihan ang tatlong klase ng tenants. Hindi lahat ng negosyo pare-pareho ang role sa isang property. First, anchor tenants. Ito yung mga malalaking traffic drivers tulad ng supermarkets or department stores. Sa mga malls, tulad ng SM Ayala at Robinson, sila ang nagdadala ng 70 to 80% ng foot traffic. Example nito, SM Supermarket, Robinson Supermarket, or Pure Gold. Kaya sila usually nasa pinakadulo o pinakamalalaking spaces ng mall. Second, mid-tier anchors. Ito yung brands na targeted ang crowd. Examples, Starbucks, Uniqlo, Zara, and H&M. Hindi sila kasing laki ng supermarket pero sila ang nagdadala ng lifestyle crowd. Usually nasa prime areas inside the mall. Third, inline tenants. Ito yung maliliit na stores na 50 to 200 square meters. Examples, food stalls, gadget shops, nail salons, or local brands. Sila ang may pinakamataas na rent per square meter, pero umaasa sila sa traffic na dala ng anchors. Pag walang anchors, pwedeng bumaba ng 40% ang sales ng small tenants. Kaya ang successful commercial property, hindi lang tungkol sa building. It's about strategically placing the right tenants para gumana ang buong ecosystem. For more tips on smart property design, follow Architect Brendan and Rufa.